Makeup? Mike? Script? What is a fallacy?
A fallacy is an argument which poses premises in order to arrive at a certain conclusion. However, unlike a correct argument in formal logic, a fallacy is insufficient of the correct logical relationship between the premises and its conclusion. And etymologically speaking, a fallacy, or fallacy, the word itself, comes from the Latin word fallere, which means to deceive. There are two types or forms of a fallacy. The first one is the sophism, and the second one is paralogism. Sophism pertains to unintentional or the intentional form of fallacy, while paralogism is the unintentional one. And actually, a fallacy may not be easily identified or distinguished as such because it has the appearance of truth.
Pagsubok, tapatan mo ng tunay na lakas. Ang bawat pagsubok, pag nalampasan, nagpapalakas ng loob, nagpapatibay ng dibdib. Kaya sige, banggain mo ang lahat ng pagsubok dahil tunay na lakas, dyan lalabas. Cobra Energy Drink. Para sa akin, pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo.
Laris, 2 taon na ata ako nang niligaw sa'yo. Kulang pa ba yung oras na binibigay ko? Wala ka pa bang nararamdaman para sa akin? Kailan ko ba makakamit ang matamis mong oo? Ano ba? Naghihintay na lang ba ako sa wala?
Sita.
Nakaligo ka na ba sa dagat ng basura? Nagpasko ka na ba sa gitna ng kalsada? Tinatanong namin, tuloy ka bang isa sa amin? Kailangan mo na ba mapapag-aral ka niya? Tutulungan tayo para magkatrabaho at ang kanyang plano'y magkabay tayo. Ibigay ang tunay na mahirap, ibigay ang tunay na may malasakit. Ibigay ang may kakayahan at gumawa ng sariling pangalan. Imanibigyan ang magtatapos ng ating kahirapan.
Kain na. Lotlot. Lotlot, ano ba? Uy! Ano nangyari?
Yung karpintero, lineman, ama driver. Wow! Lahat sila kamukha ni Coco.
Wow!
Bakit?
Wow! Masasarap.
Wow!
Wow, ulam. Yeah.
You can't help but notice the rosy white change in her skin with Pond Skin Whitening Vitamin Fluid. See the difference in just 6 weeks. Now in cream and fluid.
Hi, I'm Skin Benjilat. Kisame ka ba? Kasi pagmulat pala ng mata ko, ikaw kagad unang makikita ako eh. Wait, si Bossing ka ba? Kasi I love you, Mama! Chup chup! Ayun. Please lang. May isa pa ako. Gravity ka ba? Kasi I can't stop myself from falling for you! Wait lang.
Ay, sorry.
Para sa uling banat. Ipis ka ba? Kasi lumilipad ka, napapadali mo ako.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip, drip, killer or the drip, drip. When he make a drip, drip, kiss him on a lip, lick. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm that conducer. That coupe truck and truck producer. Boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can ball with the crew, he can so loud. But I think I like a murder when he down loud. And I think I like a better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the penny's coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, die, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm that conducer. That coupe truck and truck producer.